kalapasante alas 2 ti malam karuba. Kami nagngataw. Hasta ay inatanaw mo.
The young ones, darling, we're the young ones, and the young ones shouldn't be afraid to leave love while the flame is strong, 'cause we may not be the young ones very long. Tomorrow, we'll wait until tomorrow, 'cause tomorrow sometimes never comes. So love me, there's a song to be sung, and the best time is to sing it while we're young. Once in every lifetime comes a love like this. Oh, I need you, you need me. Oh, my darling, can't you see our dreams should be dreamed together, and the young hearts shouldn't be afraid to love me. When the years have shown, darling, then we'll teach the young ones of our own. Once in every lifetime a love like this. Oh, I need you, you need me. Oh, my darling, can't you see our dreams should be dreamed together, and the young hearts shouldn't be afraid. And someday when the years have flown, darling, then we'll teach the young ones of our own.
Ito yung sunatagit para kini Nanay Darlene Khan iti Chicago, Illinois. For all the times I felt cheated, I complained. You know how I love to complain. For all the wrongs I repeated, no one was to blame. I still curse that rain. Didn't have a prayer, didn't have a clue. Then out of the blue, God gave me you to show me what's real. There's more to life than just how I feel, and all that I'm right before my eyes. Know that I live for, though I didn't know why. Now I do. 'Cause God gave me you. For all the times I wore myself beating like a favorite shirt, all roped up and that hurt. For every glance I saw, so half empty. Now it overflows like a river through my soul. From every doubt I had, I'm finally free. I truly believe God gave me you to show me what's real. There's more to life than just how I feel, and all that I'm worth is right before my eyes. And all that I live for, though I didn't know why, now I do. 'Cause God gave me you. In your arms I'm someone new, with every tender kiss from you. Oh, must confess, I've been blessed. God gave me you to show me what's real. There's more to life than just how I feel, and all that I'm worth is right before my eyes. And all that I live for, though I didn't know why, now I do. 'Cause God gave me you.
Right here. Please don't ask me what am I thinking. It's about you. Please don't ask me, I never can see you. What can I do? My first impulse is to run to your side. My heart's not free, and so I must hide. Please don't ask me what I'm gonna say to you. I toss and turn, can't sleep at night. It's worrying me. I go to bed, turn out the lights. It's your face I see. It only hurts the more I pretend that we could never be more than friends. Please don't ask me why I'm so in love with you. You could easily make me happy, that I know. But I try my best to never tell you so. I will sing to you my love song and pretend, and I'll give the secret right down to the end. Please don't ask me why I'm not talking. I just can't explain. And please don't ask me why I go walking out in the rain. I could not live the night it would take to have you near. Would be a mistake. Please don't ask me why I'm so in love with with you.
So that's me.
Okay, balong. Dahil ito pa nga pangablaaw.
Naimbang nga pangalo tayo amin for decade 2.
Wow.
Kablaw man aming dumdumngeg nang nagruna kadananay ko. Mamik Olive, ken Mama N. Ay pagayam yo, JK, dito Cordon. Naimbang nga mo amin. Ito Cordon, Isabela. Kuya Jun, ken Mac, agkapin ano kayo, kadi adwa. Maragsakan ak nuwang mangagkutik ka pa nagsasauyo. Ano naman?
Okay, kaanak kakapo ni John Mark. Isun apo ti may kadwa nga anak ti bayaw ko. Dahil di bayaw ko nga nagawan.
Greet ko man nagi... Ano?
Awano, napanamom.
Grade ko namin nga Tagaugad High School, amin nga senior high teachers dito Tiage. Nang runa dagiti wampay sahod. Nay. Bonus.
Piman.
Et cetera. Ho ho ho. Christmas na po, Sir Nelson Bintang ko na naman. Ay, ako basol ko ta.
So, baya.
Papasala ang
May
dahil.
nga pa nagpasagi data. Mayak data. Nakay.
Untuk mamanan.
Okay, data iti may kaalwa pa sa iti programa po. Tatalang ibagaktan na namin alo lang kimantan. Lauk-lauk na po, iti mabaling nga kansyonan may. Ayan, isang mobile nyo na po, iti ag-request, iti Tagalog, English. Ako na po ko man ti internet tan. Oh, you lost your internet connection.
Nako. Data yung konakon. Pagkalit man po, familia Aliado, iso da Mr. and Mrs. Ronnie Aliado, kanda kita anak na, ay anak da, ni Kate Joanna John Ron. Kastamat ka dagiti padaming agdingdingeg dito sa Guday Quirino. Kanda kita isang sangput nga umay, agsabog, tibunubon, ni Bong, alias Sot. Ano to? Sot, Dani alias Angkol, para kasi ay kanta nga, Here I Am. Good PM Manong June, kan gwapo nga Jem. Wow! Dagit aman, kabalawag man ni sweetheart ko, madamag tataop, tibagas, tinaimbag nga malam. Kabalaw nagapo, kinirik biyernes, tibukal yung proper Ramon Sabela. Kasi ka mo dyan, count on you. Nga isagot ko, kanya na. Adan internetan?
Adan internetan.
Adan.
What?
Adan.
Adan. Talaga.
Good PM kuya, greet ko nga anak ko nga ni Denden, ag-birthday. Tata, kanila kayo ko nga madabag dengag na programa yung kati dahi iti Jose Ancheta. Ano? Ano?
Programa yung kasi dahito iti Jose Ancheta Madela Quirino.
Ada kasi ya?
Ada siguro, ada pa iti Jose Rizal, di dati Jose Ancheta. Oh.
Manong gandang tanghali kada kayo, kablawak man, lakay ko nga dumdumngeg kanyam. Kan katugangak nga pungpung tot niya pa yan, tinagadumot ti apan nga manok day bilag ng Eric. Ay, sumol lang Tok-tokan da na may boss. Kablawag ka po kinilani, it's San Antonio de Fon Quirino. Ano ba
As requested, Here I Am by the Air Supply.
Here I am,
Air Supply live here at Sweet Radio.
playing with those memories again. And just when I thought time had set me free, those thoughts of you keep taunting me, holding you, a feeling I never outgrew, though each and every part of me has tried. Only you can feel that space inside, so there's no sense pretending my heart is not mending. Just when I thought I was over you, on my own.
Tsaka mo lyrics na balongkan.
I've tried to make the best of it alone. I've done everything I can to ease the pain, but only you can stop the rain. I just can't live without you. I miss everything about you. Just when I thought I was over you, and just when I thought I could stand on my own, oh baby, those memories come crashing through, and I just can't go on without, go on without. It's just no good without you. Without you, I could stand on my own. Without you, it's over you. Without you, I could stand on my own. Without you, I was over you, and I just can't go on without, go on without. It's just no good without you. No.
Si Kamar. When I think like the words long red, and I need you so bad, but I don't know where you are. I cry these tears on our own. We've been so far. We've sworn at the moon, and we've counted a million stars. My love, still true. Friends have come and gone. Some have left me alone, but I stared at these walls before, and they made me blue. All alone in my heart, I know there's one thing in my life that still rings true. I can count on you. Count on you to be there. No questions in the air. No asking why or where. sits close to you. Oh, count on you to be there. No questions in the air. No asking why or when. No looking back. Count on you every time to ease my worried mind. And you'll forever be important to me, my miracle find. Now, oh now, I've traveled so far, yet I'm right back where you are. Just me and you. Now and forevermore, as the years roll by, I'm beginning to see